Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned tuna truly delicious, step by step. First, select a good quality canned tuna, ideally packed in olive oil or water for the best flavor. Next, it is crucial to drain the tuna very well to remove any excess liquid. This simple step prevents a watery salad. Then, gently flake the tuna with a fork in a medium-sized bowl, preparing it for the next flavorful additions. Now let's boost those flavors. For a creamy texture, stir in about 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise or a healthier alternative like Greek yogurt. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This provides a wonderful tangy kick that really elevates the taste. For a delightful crunch, finely dice and mix in some celery or red onion. These additions transform plain tuna into something special. To perfect the taste, seasoning is key. Start with a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For a bright, fresh note, squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Finally, incorporate 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh herbs such as parsley or dill, which add a vibrant aroma and flavor. These simple touches make a big difference. Now that your delicious tuna is ready, it's time to enjoy it. You can serve this versatile creation on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, or with crackers for a quick snack. For a lighter option, use it as a filling for crisp lettuce wraps or colorful bell pepper halves. A sprinkle of paprika or a fresh herb sprig makes a lovely garnish. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.